Welcome to ELH4X4 Doing Stuff. Today we're going to be replacing the blower motor with a 1986 Chevy Corvette blower motor, which I'll go get it's right over there. We'll pull the part number off of it. It's a genuine GM part. And adding a spacer too, because the bird cage or the fan is a little bit larger. You'll see. Anyway, so what we need to do is get up inside the fender well and remove the overflow. Right, we need to remove the overflow so we can get access to it. And there's two bolts up in here, and we can't really see it, but they're there. Anyway, come on along. All right, so here's part number 8895952. It's a genuine GM part. And you have to get the spacer, which I got off of eBay, and it comes with the actual extended hardware. So anyway, let's get the coolant tank out of the way. Hilarious. All right, looks like we have to move the AC compressor out of the way. All right, so I took and removed the ground strap, the plug that goes to the noise suppression, here's the noise suppression, which is also part of the power. All right, so that's what it looks like. And there's a comparison. All right, I'm gonna go get some, even though there is already, I'm gonna put another layer of butyl tape on that. Don't forget to remove the shipping plug. There's two of them. So let's make sure we remove the right one, which I didn't. There we go. Yeah, that's horrible. GoPro, stop recording. All right, we're gonna put on the butyl tape. GoPro, stop recording. All right, we got our butyl on both sides. All right, I'm just removing any overlapping because it's kind of touching the fan. All right. All right. There we go. I still haven't found my extension, so it's safe to say that the install is faster than trying to find your socket. But it wasn't a 10 mil, it was a 1/4 inch, so. Whatever, you know, take that for whatever it's worth. I think what happened was when I put the butyl tape in, it squished out and jammed up the fan, so I had to take it out, and then what I did was, with some assistance, maybe I was like, well, maybe the motor's bad, so I hooked it up outside and then went through all the settings, and that works. So I think the butyl tape was jamming it up. So I'm going to move to the 3M08578 adhesive, the strip caulk, and use that to seal it. And then we'll be right back. All right, so you could definitely tell a big difference with that blower motor upgrade. So I would recommend that. So thanks for watching this mediocre video on the fan upgrade, and we'll catch you at the next one.